Hi, my name is Carol Vercellino, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Oak City Labs. Today, we're going to talk about software testing. Sometimes software testing can sound a little boring, but today we're going to cover some just really simple terms to understand so that it can help you collaborate with software developers or even hire a software developer for your project. Software testing is critically important. Bugs can range from minor things to a misspelling in an app to major things like one single action just deleted all of the data in your database. And so it's something that developers need to place a priority on, and you should too. It'll be a part of your risk management plan and can save you money in the future. So to really break things down, we like to think of software testing in a triangle. And at the bottom of the triangle is unit testing. Unit tests are just that. They're testing really small bits of code to the lowest level possible, and they're fairly inexpensive to do, and you can have tons of them, and you can run them through automated testing when code gets checked in. That's your first line of defense against a software bug. In the middle of the pyramid, people have what we call integration tests, and that's really just testing third-party bits or something that your app is going to integrate with. Could be an API like the Google Maps API, or it could be your internal database, really anything. It's a third-party test. And then at the top, we have UI testing, sometimes called end-to-end testing and functional testing. The terminology doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, you want that first line of defense, second line, and then third line of defense. And all of these things should be as automated as possible. And something to think about in software development, the bottom of the pyramid is your least expensive test. It's the developer's time, but it's going to save you because it's your first line of defense. And at the top of the pyramid tends to be the most costly because somebody has to write those functional end-to-end tests and automate those tests, or you have to have somebody manually test those things. So we've got unit tests at the bottom, integration tests, and then UI test or end-to-end test at the very, very top. And so when you're talking to developers, those are important concepts to kind of understand and ask them, hey, where do you put the most importance? What tests are important to you? And what kind of test coverage do you have in each of those categories? I think it's okay to ask developers those questions. And don't worry if you've never written those tests before. You should be able to talk to a developer and they should be able to help you understand those things. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, find us on social media, let us know what you would like to learn about, and we'd be happy to post. Thank you.